In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or remove Spotify accounts to a premium plan. Before we start, two quick reminders so you don't run into roadblocks. All member management must be done in a web browser, not in the Spotify app, and only the plan manager, the person who owns the subscription, can add or remove members. If you're not the plan manager, you'll need to ask that person to follow these steps. Let's begin with adding members to a family or duo plan. Open a browser and go to spotfy.com, then sign into the plan manager's account. Once you're in, head to your premium settings. You can do this by selecting premium membership from the menu or by scrolling down the account page and choosing manage your account. Both routes take you to the same place where you control who's on the plan. Next, send the invitation, look for add to family plan or invite and click it. Spotify will generate an invite link for you. Copy that link and share it with the person you want to add using email or any secure chat you prefer. The link is unique to your plan, so keep it private. Now, here's what the invited person needs to do. They open the link, log into their Spotify account, or create one if they don't have it yet, and then confirm the home address. This is important. All members on Family or Duo must live at the same address. Spotify uses that to verify eligibility, so make sure the address matches what's on the plan manager's account. Once that's confirmed, the person is automatically upgraded to Spotify Premium under your plan. If you need to remove someone from the plan, there are two ways to handle it. As the plan manager, sign in on a browser, go to Premium Membership, find the member you want to remove, select Remove from Plan, and confirm. That's it. Your plan updates right away, and that person is no longer included. Alternatively, a member can leave on their own. They simply go to their Spotify account page, choose Change Plan, and select Cancel Premium. This removes them from the shared plan. In both cases, the result is the same. The account is downgraded to the free plan. They can still use Spotify, just without premium features. And that's the process from start to finish. Use a browser, make sure the plan manager handles invites and removals, and confirm the same home address for eligibility. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Spotify tips and tutorials.